Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? It is I, the Work at Home Job Queen, and I know it has been a month of Sundays, but those of you who actually actively follow me, you know that I haven't disappeared at all. I actually update and I post every single day. So for those of you that are out there, okay, that are looking for work at home jobs, there's a lot going on in the world, and I know that there are a lot of people who are legitimately looking for work at home opportunities where they don't have to worry about going into an office or whatever. There are some very good paying jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home. And I'll say 95% of these companies send you all of the equipment that you need, okay? A lot of them are actually non-phone. Now, there are more phone positions than there are non-phone positions. However, you need to get in where you fit in, and I'm telling you, come over, okay? First of all, sign up to the email newsletter. All of this stuff is on the blog. You come over, the link is in the description box down below. You come over to the blog, you just enter your email where you see get new work at home leads sent directly to your email. Now, what I will say is sometimes email can take a little bit longer to get to you, but if you want the job updates like instantly, because some of them, when I post them, they're literally there 15, 20 minutes and then they're gone. Okay. Send me a text message. Just text hi or opt in to 205-953 4597. Okay. When you text that number, follow the prompts. It's going to be a link that I'm going to send back to you. You need to click on that link. And when you click that link, that's going to make sure that you're actually registered into the system and that you'll get the notifications, because a lot of people have told me that they haven't been getting them, and most times it's because they didn't click the link, and the link will basically confirm your subscription to the text messaging notification family. And anybody that's on this text messaging family, let me tell you, if you're in the Work at Home Lounge, speaking of the Work at Home Lounge, y'all need to come over there, okay? The Work at Home Lounge on Facebook, let me tell y'all, God is so amazing. When I tell you God is everything, and I thank him so much for saving my life. You guys, those of you who know my story, you know my story. For those of you who don't, I share my testimony all the time in the group. I share it on my personal Facebook page. Reason being is because I promised him that if he were to save my life, that I will tell anybody who will listen to me. Because I'm telling you, family, if you ask him for whatever you want, I promise you that he will give it to you. As long as you have faith that it will be yours, it's yours, okay? Whatever you ask for, if you truly believe that is yours, it will come to you. And I promise you that wholeheartedly. And I'm a living witness, okay? Anything you ask for in prayer, God will give it to you, okay? So come over and join the Work at Home Lounge. When you request to join the lounge, okay, I can guarantee you, if you apply to these positions, 30 days, you have a job. If you are consistently applying, 30 days, give yourself 30 days, apply to everything you see, and you will get a work at home job. I can promise you that, okay? Now, but when you come over there, make sure you answer all three questions, okay? Make sure you answer all three questions. Make sure you have a photo, and make sure that your account is more than 6 months old. We do not accept accounts that are less than 6 months old. I am sorry. We just do not do it, okay? But just make sure that all of those questions are answered. And at the bottom, make sure that you agree to the group rules. There are it's really just three things that you need to respond to. And at the bottom is going to be the little button that you have to click to agree to the rules. So it's four things, okay? Make sure all of those are done, and you will be in the group no later than tomorrow afternoon or Tuesday, okay? Definitely come over there. I'm telling you, anybody who's in that group, y'all, if you attach to me, you will win, period. I've already manifested it for y'all. And I know some people might think this is, me just talking crazy. No, seriously. If you truly believe that it is yours, I've already manifested it for you. Come over and join this Work at Home Lounge on Facebook and get blessed. Okay. Now let me tell y'all about a couple of positions. I know how I've gone on and on and on and on and on. But anyway, Sign up to the email newsletter, or you don't need to do both, or text 205-953-4597, okay? Come over here. I update this thing every single day, you guys. I haven't, well, with the exception of the weekends, unless I find some like really bomb positions. I don't usually update it on the weekends, but other than the weekends, I update the blog every day, okay? So definitely come over here and apply to when I say apply to everything you see, even if you think you're not qualified for it, apply to it anyway, okay? For example, right now, Conduent is looking for data entry operators. Y'all, I know most of y'all don't want to be on nobody's phone, okay? Y'all don't want to be on nobody's phone. Y'all don't want to talk to nobody. $13.50 an hour, paid training, great benefits, incentives, and bonus, okay? As an image review data entry operator, you'll be entering data that is vital to their customers' day-to-day operations, okay? Again, training is provided, all right? Also, Concentrix. And not speaking of Concentrix, I've spoken to several other recruiters and family. There's so much going on in the world, and companies really aren't trying to take the chance with, number one, putting people at risk of getting sick and dying or whatever. So there are a lot of companies who have opted to strictly be remote, okay, and work from home. There are a lot of companies who've always been brick and mortar, who had buildings with, tons and tons of employees, but they can't run the risk of losing money and having to shut down again. So they're strictly going remote. And not only that, family, it's cheaper. Okay, it's cheaper for the company. So they love having their employees work from home. Concentrix right now spoke to one of their recruiters. These people hire anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 people every single month. They have several different clients that they actually work with. And of course, the positions will vary, but I think they start you out minimum $14 per hour. Some of them provide equipment, some of them don't. And they hire in almost all states, okay? The link is on the blog. You literally come over here and you find Concentrix, and here it is. It says tons of work at home opportunities. When you click it, it's going to take you directly to the job page with all of the work at home positions, you guys. Now, I also tell people, look, I don't care if I posted the job 5 weeks ago, 5 months ago. If it's still on this blog and the link still works, guess what? They're still hiring for that position. So please don't just stay under today's date. Please do not do that. For example, this was posted July 26th, okay? I'm going to click on it and see if they're still hiring. They are. And this is the state of Maryland unemployment claims. $18 an hour. They send you your laptop. Family, let me tell you, you don't have to live in the state of Maryland. You'll simply be taking unemployment calls for the state of Maryland. So come over here, y'all, and scroll around on this blog. Another one, American Express. Let me tell y'all, and that is under July 26th. They're hiring a lot of people, $20 to $21.69 an hour. And not only that, family, they train you. They send you the equipment that you need. And if I remember correctly, I think they will even, if you don't have a specific type of internet, they'll give you like a voucher to get it, but it has to be through a specific company, I think. Check this out, you guys. Wayfair is another one that's always hiring customer service consultants. Family, the work at home jobs are out there. If you're a person who's not, willing to put yourself at risk, and it's not even about what's necessarily going on in the world. People want to spend more time at home with their families and not having to spend 8, 12, sometimes 16 hours a day in an office, okay? Of course, when you're working from home, same thing applies. You have to be professional. And just because you're working from home, that doesn't mean that you're able to have, your kids in the office with you making a ton of noise while you're working. You're still going to have to be professional, okay? And you still need to have something set up. We know everything that's going on, and whether it's, you have one of your older kids that's keeping your younger kids, quiet, or if you setting up something, iPads or TV show, reoccurring TV shows, little Coco Melon, whatever these kids watch nowadays, put them in another room, put one of those little camera things that you can watch and make sure that they're, not getting into any type of devilment where you can watch them or whatever. Do that if you have to. Just family, the work is out there. I promise you guys, okay? There are so many companies that are hiring workers from home right now. Go and get these opportunities, I'm telling you. And come over and join the Work at Home Lounge on Facebook, girl. Let me tell you this again. Come over there. Answer all four. It's going to be 4 questions, okay, that you need to answer in order to get in. Don't say that you didn't get in. And most of the people that say that they didn't get in, they either didn't have a picture, their account was new, they didn't answer all of the questions, or something like that. Okay, it's one or the other. If you come and do those things, you will get into the group. I can promise you that. And if you come over there, just so you know, we're a praying group. Okay, we're a praying group, and I already know that as long as God's hand is in the mix, I know that is one of the main reasons why so many people are being blessed over there, because I put God at the center of everything that I do. He's at the head, he's at the back, he's on the sides. I'm telling you guys, God literally saved my life, and I am forever indebted to him. And as long as long as I keep God first, I already know that whatever I do, it will be blessed as long as he is in the mix. I promise you that. So again, come over and join the Work at Home Lounge on Facebook. Link in the description box down below. Sign up to the text messaging notification family. The number is 205-953-4597, or you can join the email notification gang or whatever. But most people have cell phones. It's free. It doesn't cost you any money. All of this information is going to be in the description box down below. I'll see you guys in the group. Bye, family.